Wonixer development, and today we will be making our web browser, and this is part 2. So hold on, let's close that. So we're gonna add a search field because in my tutorial we have to delete the web view. Okay, we're gonna add the search field. In this tutorial we're gonna search with Google. So let's type in search Google or enter URL. We're gonna choose that, and then we want to put this in the stack view. We want to align the stack view 0, 0, 0. And then we have to add a web view. Do not choose the legacy, it's older. The legacy one is mostly used for older Macs. This one it's for newer Macs. Anyway, we're gonna add constraints for this. So now that everything is working, we're gonna code it in. So we're gonna add Google search field. Come on, let's just do search field, and then we want to drag and drop the web view again. And then now what we're gonna do is add a button to search, like to a go button or something like that to search. So instead of the user pressing the go button, they'll have to hit the return key. So let's get started with that. Controller, we need to add one more button. Let's add it here. Let's call it the go button. So click on editor assistant. Let's drag the go button in. So in the go button, we're gonna change the key equivalent to return, and that's all. So now we're gonna code the go button to work. I already have the source code here because this is something I did with my previous one. So I'm just gonna copy and paste. I'll leave a link in the description for the GitHub file. We're gonna paste that on here. We're gonna get a few errors because I changed the name to search field. Let's copy that. We're gonna get a few errors. Yeah, unresolved identifier. Just change it to search field. And then, oh yeah, now we have a web view problem. So just do that. So while I'm doing this, I'm gonna explain to you what this code means. So up here it's saying, like, if it has the prefix of HTTPS, that means it's just telling it to make it, it's just telling it to search without anything. So in here it says if the beginning has www, it's telling it to add the HTTPS plus the search field. And then if it has the suffix of .com, it'll tell it to have HTTPS, www, and then .com. So what it's it's just filling in the gap. So there are so many website suffix, so this code could have been much longer, but I only did the popular ones. So now if we were to run this, hold on, I think I deleted the web view. Let's redrag it. Okay, let's rerun it. Let's wait for it to load. Type in your password. So now it's running. Okay, the build worked. Let's wait for Xcode to run the app. So while it's doing that, so then this else command, it's telling it to search Google if there's no suffix, prefix, or anything like that. So let's run. Let's wait for it to load. This computer is pretty slow, but let's run it. I'm gonna rebuild it. Okay, now it should work. Why is it super slow? Should I rerun it? Okay, I'll rerun it. Oh, now it worked. Okay. So if we search, hold on, let's make it full screen. So let's say we search in hello, hit return. Oh, let's click the go button. So as you can see, it works, but let's make it easier for the user. So return. Now let's rerun the app. Okay. Hello, hit return. Yeah, as you can see, it works. And it works. So you can even wait, why isn't it opening the links? Copy link. Hold on, why is it not working? Oh, I think I know the error. So let's reopen the file. So the error could have been like, it could have been target. So in here somewhere, okay, here I have this code. I'm gonna put this code somewhere. So what this code will do is, hold on, we're gonna get a few errors. So what this code does is like, it opens links with target frame. So it fixes the error where you can't open links with target. So yeah, that's all. Hold on, let's go back into the stack view. Let's modify a few things. Fill. Okay, let's choose fill equally. Let's alignment center Y. No. So this has been it. So the next time we come here, we're gonna add social media platforms like Messenger, Facebook, Instagram, whatever. We're gonna add social media platforms. So we're gonna make like a button, a pop-up button somewhere that gives you a list of options to choose. So to open Messenger, we're gonna add a pop-up button, but that'll be in the next tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Bye. This is Wonixer.